Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Hudson 722119 pump assembly. This video is to bring a visual review of what this is, a dimensional review, show you the one document that we have regarding it, and hopefully you can determine if this is the item that you require. Admittedly, I'm not an expert when it comes to pump sprayer parts, but nonetheless, I can faithfully show you what it looks like and give you some dimensions. Overall length appears to be about 14 7/16. Diameter of the lower tube appears to be about 2 inch. This upper tube appears to be slightly conical in shape. About 3 1/8 inch up here. Down here looks a bit closer to about 3 5/16 perhaps. There's a gasket, I would say, or an O-ring in here. From that shoulder to the very end, looks like it's about 10 1/2 inch. Weighs 0.72 pound, if that helps at all. Let's switch to the screen view and let's take a closer look at what supporting information we do have.
If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it.
Okay, now this is not the item because it's not yet built in the site, but the point of the matter is it will look like this. There's a link to the parts diagram here. When you fire that up, this is what you're going to see. 13194 commercial backpack parts. So we do stock these sprayer parts because we have clients that call and ask for the material. So the 722119 pump assembly is everything here in the bracket, and you're seeing some subcomponents that are listed there. So from the area here up to the top of this is what you're getting here, and that's what we know about this. There is also a link below this video as seen here to the manufacturer's page within our site, a link to the manufacturer's website and the most current product catalog we have. And then by means of this horizontal navigation, you can find the Hudson items that we have listed in our site. We have some images that are here in no particular order, just showing you more static and up close what this all looks like. Okay, so you can review all of that material. Okay, let's conclude this video on camera.
If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it.
I hope this video provides visual and dimensional evidence of this item. If it's the correct item that you're trying to match, well then great. Hudson is a easy company to work with. They respond to our requests for customer service, so if you have a Hudson related question or a part that you need, send it to us. It's always enjoyable to work with a vendor that participates in the process, and Hudson absolutely does. Any questions on the 72219 pump assembly or any other Hudson product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.
Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.